Let us practice one more time. Look at the brother first column in your handout, page number 6, Sister Salma. Page number 6, brothers and sisters. Are you with me? 6, page number 6. First column, what is the first word? Nasara. Ready? Nasara, Nasara, Nasaru, Nasarat, Nasarata. Next verb? Kataba, Kataba, Katabu, Katabat, Katabata. Are you with me? And then next one? Dakhala, Dakhala, Dakhalu, Dakhalat. Oh, next one, Dakhalata. Very good. Do you realize the base form of the verb? The first form of the verb in Arabic dictionary you will find in what form? Past tense and masculine and huwa. Singular and huwa. So when you look into the dictionary, Arabic dictionary, the verb will always be past tense, it will be singular, and it will be masculine, and it will be third person. Always, always, always. Huwa. When you say huwa, it is Allah. Anything you start in Arabic, it is huwa. In the verbs. Are you with me, brothers? Okay. So, dakhala, he entered. Dakhala, two of them entered. Dakhalu, they entered. Dakhalat, she entered. Dakhalata, two of the ladies entered. Are you with me? So that's the way it is. You will try and do it, and then I'll be asking you many questions. Right now, you have been given 5 sheets. Try to do 5. Only up to hunna. Don't go to hunna, because hunna will do tomorrow. Okay? Hopefully the agreement will be ready for us to sign. And invite hunna to come and join the verb. Okay? Now, brothers and sisters, we'll make a lot of practice later on to make you strong. We'll do all kinds of tricks. We'll play tricks to make you strong. So what's the next one, brother? Talaba. Ready? Talaba, talaba, talabu, talabat, talabata. Next one? Sajada, sajada, sajadu, sajadat, sajadata. Next one? Katala, katala, katalu, katalat, katalata. Next one? Darasa, darasa, darasu, darasat, darasata. Next one? Shakara. He said, what is? Sakana. He lived. Sakana, he lived. Is it he lived?
Yes.
Okay. Sakana, sakana, sakanu, sakanat, sakanata. Very good. Shakara, now thank you.
Yes.
He said thank you. He thanked. Shakara, shakara, shakaru, shakarat, shakarata. When you say shakara, he thanked. When you say shakara, two of them thanked. When you say shakaru, they thanked. When you say shakarat, she thanked. When you say shakarata, two of them thanked. Got the idea? Next one, brothers and sisters. Tabaha. Wow, wow, wow. Tabaha. Somebody will cook biryani for us. Tabaha, tabaha, tabahu, tabahat, tabahata. What is the meaning of tabaha? He cooked. Tabahat, she cooked. Got the idea? Very good. Where is the next one?
Khalaqa.
Khalaqa. Brother, khalaqa. He created. You'll always read Khalaqallahu, Allah created. Allah created. Okay? Khalaqa, khalaqa, khalaqu, khalaqat, khalaqata. Very good. Nazara. To look. Nazara, nazara, nazaru, nazarat, nazarata. MashaAllah. Next one, brother. Taraka. He quitted. He left. Taraka, taraka, taraku, tarakat, tarakata. Next one. Hadara. He attended. Hadara, hadara, hadaru, hadarat, hadarata. Rasaba. He failed. Rasaba, rasaba, rasabu, rasabat, rasabata. Oh, very good. Next one, brother. Razaka, razaka, razaku, razakat, razakata. Okay. Next one. Zakara. He mentioned, remembered. Zakara, zakara, zakaru, zakarat, zakarata. Next one, brother. Abada, abada, abadu, abadat, abadata. Very good. Kharaja, kharaja, kharaju, kharajat, kharajata. Next one, brother. Amara, amara, amaru, amarat, amarata. Akala, akala, akalu, akalat, akalata. And then akhadha, akhadha, akhadhu, akhadhat, akhadhata. But then once we get the hang of one, everything becomes easy. Everything will become easy. And you will realize that even though the Arabic verbs are vast, but they are very fascinating and they are interesting. They are not at all difficult. They are only difficult for people who do not want to work hard. Then things become difficult. Even the easiest thing will become a difficult for a person who doesn't want to work hard. But inshallah, you will work hard. Allah will make it easy for us, for you and me, both of us, inshallah. And we will progress, inshallah. Now, this is not supposed to be like this. You know, Dr. Saab does not explain. I am taking a little side way to explain you all these things, because I realized when I was studying, that had I known all these things side by side, it would have made my understanding much better, stronger and easier. And you will soon realize, inshallah. You are given 5 sheets here today. Tomorrow you will get 50 sheets. No charge. Only one charge, that you will do it. That you will write it. Inshallah. Just with pencil, you will write it. And then once we complete Madi, you will keep this in the file. Once you complete Madi, then book 2, when we do Mudariya, you'll take out the same sheet and continue. This sheet will be completed, by the end of book 2. Are you with me? By the end of book 2, we will complete. Slowly, slowly, 2 at a time. I always say to my students, since I come from Indo-Pak subcontinent, there are many things that I remember. And one thing that I always used to remember, whenever you hear Binaka Gitmala, they used to say, Dodo goli, Aspro. So if you take 2 tablets of Aspro, you will never get headache. If you do 2 conjugation of verbs, you will never get the headache of Arabic language. Are you with me? 2 conjugations per day. One has to do to remain healthy in verbs. Are you with me? So you will remember Dodo goli, Aspro. Okay? So this, inshallah, will make you strong. And we have got sheets for everybody. We'll give you 50 sheets tomorrow, inshallah. And you keep them. I don't expect you to do everything, brother. Tomorrow you should do the 5, what you have. But only up to here, which should not be difficult. And then rest of it, tomorrow we'll complete it. It is about time to take a break. So inshallah, we'll take a break. And then we will proceed, inshallah.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا